In this video I will show you how you can fit a sinusoidal function or higher order polynomial function. So let's generate some sample data like x equal 0 to 2 pi and data number at 150. Okay, and y equals sine x and plus I'm putting some random offset to the sine function, so we can visualize this 0.3 asterisk and size x. Sorry. Okay, now we have to fit the function using fit. I'm taking a variable like fit or output equal fit, and our first is x. I have to transpose this x transpose and y transpose, and as I have used only a single sine wave, so sine 1 would be perfect. And if your signal has harmonics, complex harmonics or complex signal, you may use sine 2, sine 3 and so on. Okay, and here I'm plotting the original data and the fitted data. Okay, type plot and x y, and I'm taking this original data as blue dot. Okay, and hold on to overlap the two signal or plot fit output, and I'm taking this as a red signal. Okay, and hold off. Now I'm running this code. Okay, now this is the sine fitted curve. Now if you want to higher order polynomial fitted function, here type like I'm starting this like poly to second order polynomial fitting. Okay, sorry, and this is second order polynomial output. Okay, and if I take third order polynomial fitting, yeah, it's look like sine wave. This is so second order giving like straight line, and third order giving me like sinusoidal. And if you you can take fourth order polynomial and so on. So that's the way you can fit your data to sinusoidal or higher order polynomial. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.